Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this Segmart shower curtain. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this shower curtain, and I'll be telling you about my own personal opinion on it, and I'll tell you the coolest thing about this shower curtain, the thing that I love the most about this shower curtain. So as you can see, it looks like a regular old shower curtain, but there's a really cool feature. If you look on the shower curtain, there are these pouches. And these little pouches can be used to hold your phone, your tablet, your baby monitor, or anything else that you want to see while you're in the shower. So let's say that you're in the shower and you want to watch something cool on your iPad. You want to watch a video on your iPad. Well, guess what? You get your iPad, you put it in one of the pouches, because there are different size pouches. Let's say we're going to use this one right over here. I would put my iPad in this pouch right over here, and just like that, you'd be able to watch your iPad in the shower. It's really cool, really convenient. Let's say you wanted to watch something on your phone, or you wanted to have a conversation on your phone. You would go to one of the smaller pouches, and you would go ahead and you could place your phone in there. Let's actually choose this one over here. I would place my phone in this pouch right over here. Let's just go ahead. I'm trying to locate it right over here. I'd place my phone in this pouch over here. Sorry, my special guest seems to be pulling down on the shower curtain over here. But I would place my phone in this pouch right over here, which is hugely convenient. Let's just get it actually in the pouch. Let's just fully get it in the pouch. Just like that. I would place my phone in that pouch over here, and then I would hang the shower curtain up, or it would already be hung up, and then I would be able to watch my phone in the shower. Let's say you want to watch your baby monitor as you take a shower. Well then, I'm really struggling with this pocket right here. I mean, it's good because it's going to hold everything in place, but I think it's because of the angle that I'm holding the shower curtain at. Let's say you wanted to watch your baby monitor. You take your baby monitor and you would place it in one of the pouches. Let's say I wanted to place it in this pouch right over here. Just like that, you're able to watch your baby monitor while you're in the shower. So that is the coolest feature by far about this shower curtain. It's a huge feature in my opinion. One of the best features that you can have in a shower curtain, because it does not limit you to only taking a shower. You're not limited when you take a shower from watching things anymore. It also comes with these white little hooks right over here to hang the shower curtain, but you can definitely replace these with other style hooks, just because, or I should say other style rings. You might want to use chrome ones, you might want to use metal ones, so you can use other ones instead of those ones, or you can use the simple ones that come with it, just like that. The actual quality of the shower curtain is very good. I do have to say, it feels nice and flexible. It's firm, but flexible. The actual quality of the shower curtain is great. It has these reinforced spots over here for the rings to go through. And overall, it's just a really cool shower curtain with one of the coolest features that I've ever seen in a shower curtain. You can watch your phone, watch your tablet, watch your iPhone, watch your iPad, watch your baby monitor while you're taking a shower. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video review of this Segmart shower curtain. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.